Well, here we go, in the sling. The boys are just gone to lunch, so I can finish off a little bit of anti-fouling, and we'll be going shortly. Bye. Well, this is a different angle. She's an awful long way up. Hope they don't drop her. Well, about to come down, I think. Here she comes. It's neap tides at the moment, and the tide is coming in probably a couple of hours in. Can you imagine what it would be like when on spring tides? She'd be a lot further up. Just about to touch the water, just touching the water. Oh, what do you mean?
We're lopsided.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. A bit lopsided, but there you go.
What would be better off doing in future? You know where the thing is, they put a fender there.
Yeah.
It'll just take it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because you know you've got there's rubbish straight.
Okay guys, we're off. It's coming out of the harbour now. Got the crew working on the foredeck. Just got the green light from the gates come down, and we're motoring out. Winds from the south. I'm looking in front now, and I can see a lot of wind in front of me, which is going to take me down to the port or to the left. So I'll just come over a little bit to starboard. Here we go around the corner. God knows what's going on the foredeck. We seem to be having a discussion. Right, round we come. Yes, please. There's the entrance there. We've got 3 green lights. Got a rib in front of me. Yeah, carry on, Carolyn. I can manage here. Conway Marina. This is Dopper Devani. Over.
Dopper Devani, Conway Marina. Go ahead, over.
Just for information, we're leaving now, and we'll be back in a couple of days. Over.
Okay, roger that. See, gates down, lights on. Just how a pleasant sail, over.
Thank you very much. There we are, just coming up to the entrance now. As we're on neap tides rather than spring tides, there is not a great deal of water rushing past this entrance. Normally, we'd be forced down to the right here. It's changing to one engine now. I had both engines on. Now I've just got one. Doing 2.5 knots. Out we come. Looking left and right, nothing coming. Speed's up to 3.5 knots now, 3.6. We'll slow down as soon as I get into the current here. A little more throttle. normally I'd go right over to the right because there's a back eddy there, so the current swirls round, and I sneak out to this point you can just see with the guy on the thing and just whip round the corner. But it doesn't seem too bad. I'm doing 4.7 knots now, so we're bashing tide. Amelia and Carolyn are putting the fenders away now. Right, I'll finish that here and we'll do a bit more a little bit later on when we get out, because this bit's a bit boring, just bashing the tide. So I'll sign off for now. Well, here we are. We've got the mainsail up now, heading towards a piece of land in front of this Great Orme's Head. And guess what? It looks like the wind's going to be right on the nose. So it looks like we're going to have to motor across. We're going across to the Menai Strait. We're going to whip through there a little later today, and then probably pick up a mooring for the night. And then tomorrow we'll come back through the Menai Straits, go out to a little island out here called Puffin Island, see if we can see some puffins, and then back to port. Weather's not bad. All I've got is fleecy. You can see we've got fleecy and life jackets on, so we're not too cold. A couple of yachts coming in. Start my turn to port now, and you'll see the Boyd Channel out of the Conway. Going past number 11 green, and we got a red in front of us. Right, this is going to be boring for a bit. I'll sign off. So here we are, just bashing our way out through the Conway Channel. If you look, that's North Wales over here. The crew are mutinying on the front, laying down. Got a yacht coming towards me here. And just in case anybody's wondering, I have made a pilotage plan, and we'll be ticking off the voids. Just hope this guy just keeps out of my way. He's running downwind, lucky bugger, probably hasn't got the engine on. I've got the engine on full bore at the moment, just trying to make some headway. Should improve when I get further out, but you know, that's what sailing is. Right, that's all for the moment. These nice guys that came and rescued us. We'll tell you what happened later. Bye. Okay guys, this is my engine compartment. Now all the shiny bit you can see here is hydraulic oil. Because I got hydraulic drives, there's high pressure pipes, these pipes here, and it's one of these has split, which dumped all my hydraulic oil, which is in this tank here, into the bilges. And if you can see down there, you can see that looks really good, doesn't it? Fortunately, it's not polluting the sea. So this is above my pay grade, so I have to get an engineer to sort this out. So our maiden voyage this year seems to come to an abrupt end. Gonna have a few beers now and something to eat. Bye. Okay, progress so far. So this is the starboard, what we call engine. In fact, this is a hydraulic pump. See where the red cap is? That's the offending hose that's got the break in it, or the burst in it. So this is the hose here. That's the end that came off the other side. See, it runs all the way through this locker, over here, comes out. 3 hoses come out just here. This is the one that burst, and the brake is just underneath there. Right, so all the oil went into the engine compartment, which I pumped out using this magic machine here. And we've had 2.5 of these full with oil. So that's the last little bit there. Right, the hose, the offending hose, is the longest one. Goes all the way through to the control panel, which is here. Then show you where it comes through. This is the aft cabin. All the hoses, I've just released them from the thing, come up here and onto here. This is the one that's the problem, but I can't get it undone. But fortunately, I know a man that can, and the hydraulic experts are on their way now. So that's the situation so far. We may get it fixed by the end of the day, but you know, it is a Friday and we've got the problem with poets, haven't we? Bye.